Ay grabe, everything that we ate really did not disappoint. No wonder almost positive feedback and good reviews lagi. And mostly go-to place for Japanese food talaga tong Ginza-gyu. Hey Jarelskis! We are here at their OG branch in Makati and I'm super excited to share my experience kasi we really enjoyed our time kasi ang sarap talaga ng food nila. And so for starters, we got their spicy salmon tartar. Salmon was flavorful with that added crisp from the nori chips. We also got their prawn soba harumaki. The textures and flavors were on point, generous filling, and we loved it as well. Ito, super na-surprise talaga ako with their 4 kinds of mushroom donburi. Served on a clay pot so maintained yung hotness. It was flavorful and umami. It's like a truffle and steak rice match made in heaven. Equally good din is their 8-hour kurubuta chashu. 2 gigantic pork slices that were super tender, tasty, and umami as well. Star of the show was the Wagyu skirt clay pot, which I felt like it has thinner cuts. Nevertheless, the steak was tender and cooked right. And the best to add some wasabi salt that they recommend. Siguro next time, I'll get the Wagyu steak instead. For the drinks naman, equally refreshing yung sparkling honey yuzu tea and the passion fruit fizz. They also serve good matcha. Get the one with ice cream if you want it creamier. Their gelatos were also good, pero standout for us was the malted milk over the hojicha and matcha. Kaya naman kung tatanungin mo ako for Japanese resto reco, sure na Ginza-gyu kagad yung sagot ko. Cheers!